video. Ooh. Some people are getting some heavy rain. Right?
I don't know.
Ooh. This is even better than the last one that we took, Mom, the video. Last one that I took, like 10 minutes long.
Sure, I don't remember.
You remember. Remember a few days ago? For the pretty clouds?
Oh, yeah, you're right, yes.
That is so cool.
I know, right?
Beautiful. I've never seen that much lightning.
I know, right?
Really neat.
South Carolina?
No.
I don't remember the thunderstorms in South Carolina.
Wow. That's gorgeous.
How long has this been going on?
I have no clue.
I let the dog out, I don't know, what time is it? Maybe like 15, 20 minutes ago. And I saw it from the backyard, and it's just been going.
And then I got you. Here we go.
She knows, your mom knows you're outside, right?
Yeah, I told her.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, that is. Okay, so funny story. I actually thought today was Sunday.
That's sad.
I know. I'm like, I don't want to get off my phone at 8:30. I don't want to go. I don't want to wake up at 6 a.m. I don't want to have to go to sleep.
You don't have to wake up at 6.
Yeah, I do for school.
That is not. You go to school at like 7:40.
No, I don't.
Wake up at like 6. What time do you go to school?
I usually go like anywhere from 7:45 to around 7:50,
That's when we leave.
That's even proving my point more.
and it takes me a while to get ready, Jacob. I'm not Speedy Gonzalez like you.
Take a shower
That's
faster.
pretty cool though, isn't it? What? Oh, neat. You can see the stars in there too.
Stars? What stars?
It looks like there's stars.
There are no stars. That's pure clouds. Like,
Oh, there's something floating in the sky that Daddy picked up. It was like stars. Like stars.
maybe have been like a firefly or something. This is just cool.
It's one sight to see.
Mm-hmm.
Send me your good photos.
I'll send you a video or something.
I'll send you a bunch of photos. I took so many pictures. Did you take any pictures, Lindsay?
Yes, I took a video.
Did you?
I can see it from my back window, so.
We can't see it this well from our backyard. It's
Nah.
just so pretty.
I understand why you rushed to get us out.
Get out there.
Happy.
Oh, did you see the lightning
Ooh.
shoot across the sky?
I didn't see that. I just saw the light.
That was super cool. It went from like cloud to cloud.
Oh.
It was like right in this opening here. It went...
Alright, Megan. Well, see you later.
Oh, bye.
Bye, Lynn. That's a good one. I posted these on.
Oh.
I posted these in Oak Brook.
You posted it? Can I see?
Said if anybody's up for a good light show, take stuff outside.
Woo. I don't know why, but my camera just doesn't want to focus. Like, oh yeah, it's focusing on the house now, which that's actually in focus.
You gotta put it on low light.
It's all right. I can see.
I think we'll have enough photos between all of us.
Yeah.
That's fine. I could take like another 10-minute video. It's entertaining. It's very pretty as well. Oh yeah, I can see the things. bugs or something. Like if you look at my camera, Mom, you can kind of see them.
Yep.
That's like bugs or something. And if you look really closely, maybe you can actually see them.
All right.
We'll go inside?
Yeah.
Hold on.